Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close State Bank of India savings bank account through online mode or offline mode. To close SBI savings bank account online mode, you must have internet banking or SBI Yono app. By both of these, you can find a account closure request and you can click on that request and you can close your SBI savings bank account. Or you can also send an email to your State Bank of India through official mail requesting them to close your account, or you can also contact them at customer care number. By all these methods you can close your State Bank of India or SBI savings bank account online. If it is not possible to close your savings bank account online, you can close the account through offline mode also. Before closing the State Bank of India or SBI savings account, you must make your account balance to zero. There should not be any balance in the account. You can visit any nearest branch of any SBI branch and you can close your account at any SBI branch. You must clear all dues. There should not be any dues. There should not be any negative balances. There should not be any services active with your account. There should not be any overdues. There should not be any loans. You must clear all dues and loans. And these are the required documents to close your State Bank of India or SBI savings bank account: passbook, unused checkbook, valid ID card, address proof, photos. Valid ID card or address proof may be of PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID card, any telephone bill, any water bill, or any property related document. You must carry all these with originals and with Xerox set also. The bank officials will give you an account closing form, or they will request you to write an account closing request application in a white paper. You must write or you must fill the account closing form. Next, the bank manager will check all your documents along with your filled in application, and he will process the request, and within 3 to 15 days your SBI or State Bank of India account will be closed.